Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting workout to share with you all. We'll be diving into the rowing machine exercise, a fantastic full-body workout that targets multiple muscle groups. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the action, let me introduce you to the star of today's workout, the rowing machine. This incredible piece of equipment simulates the motion of rowing, a challenging and effective workout. Proper form is crucial for maximizing the benefits and preventing injuries. Now, let's break down the exercise into 4 key phases. The catch. Start with your arms extended, leaning forward from the hips, and knees bent. The drive. Push off with your legs, extending them while maintaining a solid back position. The finish. Keep your legs fully extended, and your arms will pull the handle toward your chest. The recovery. Smoothly return to the starting position, extending the arms, bending the knees, and sliding forward. Congratulations! You've mastered the rowing machine technique. Remember, consistency is key to achieving your fitness goals. Trust me, you'll feel the results in no time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workouts. And don't forget to share your rowing machine experiences and questions in the comments below. Stay fit, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Until next time, keep rowing strong and have a fantastic day.